In the digital age, technology plays an integral role in transforming traditional classrooms into dynamic learning environments. With advancements in digital tools and platforms, educators can enhance teaching methods, engage students, and foster collaborative learning. Technologies for the digital classroom have revolutionized education, promoting critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. In this lesson, we will explore the key technologies that are reshaping the educational landscape and empowering students for success in the modern world. Let's look at some of the technologies that revolutionize education. 1. Interactive whiteboards, bridging the gap between analog and digital. Interactive whiteboards have become an indispensable tool in modern classrooms. They blend traditional whiteboards with multimedia capabilities, enabling teachers to present dynamic content, multimedia resources, and interactive exercises. With touchscreen functionality, educators can create an engaging learning experience, encouraging student participation and collaboration. Interactive whiteboards facilitate visual learning, making complex concepts more accessible and improving knowledge retention. 2. Online learning platforms, expanding access to education. Online learning platforms have democratized education by providing access to quality resources and courses to learners of all backgrounds. With these platforms, students can access educational materials, complete assignments, and interact with teachers remotely. This technology has not only made education accessible to marginalized communities, but also allowed professionals to upskill and gain knowledge at their own pace. The flexibility of online learning has transformed education by breaking down geographical barriers and fostering lifelong learning opportunities. 3. Digital assessments, personalized and adaptive learning. Digital assessments have revolutionized the way student progress is evaluated. These assessments leverage technology to provide personalized and adaptive learning experiences. By analyzing students' performance and understanding their strengths and weaknesses, educators can tailor instruction to meet individual needs. Digital assessments also enhance efficiency by automating grading processes, providing instant feedback to students, and allowing for timely interventions to address learning gaps. With personalized assessments, students are empowered to take ownership of their learning journey. 4. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR). Immersive experiences. AR and VR technologies bring learning to life by creating immersive experiences that would otherwise be challenging to achieve in a traditional classroom setting. AR overlays digital content on real-world environments, while VR transports students to simulated environments, fostering experiential and contextual learning. From virtual field trips to immersive science experiments, AR and VR technologies spark curiosity, engagement, and deeper understanding by bridging the gap between theory and practice. These technologies equip students with essential 21st century skills. 5. Collaboration tools, fostering teamwork and communication. Collaboration tools facilitate effective teamwork and communication, essential skills in the digital age. From cloud-based platforms for document sharing to video conferencing tools, students can collaborate on projects, share ideas, and learn from one another regardless of their physical locations. With real-time collaboration, students develop communication skills, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. These tools not only prepare students for the modern workforce, but also promote global awareness and cultural understanding. To conclude, allow me to say that technologies for the digital classroom have revolutionized education by offering innovative ways to engage students, promote personalized learning, and foster collaboration. From interactive whiteboards and online learning platforms to augmented and virtual reality, these technologies have empowered educators to create dynamic learning environments that prepare students for success in the digital age. Embracing these technologies not only enhances teachers' instructional capabilities, but also cultivates essential 21st century skills in students such as critical thinking, creativity, and effective teamwork as education continues to evolve. Technologies for the digital classroom will play a crucial role in shaping future generations and equipping them with the skills necessary to thrive in an increasingly interconnected and technology-driven world.